We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making homemade pumpkin spice lattes with pumpkin, coffee, milk, and lots of fall spices. For the pumpkin flavor, we use real pumpkin puree. You can use canned or homemade. To see how we make it, check out our recipe on the blog. It even has its own video. Let's start with the spice blend. We make extra and keep it in our spice cabinet ready for these lattes, as well as for sprinkling over desserts and even oatmeal. We use ground cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and freshly grated nutmeg. As always, you can find the full recipe with ingredient amounts on Inspired Taste. We need some strong coffee or espresso. We're using our French press to make it, but you can make the coffee however you like. Just make sure it's on the stronger side. Now for the lattes. To a small saucepan, add milk. This can be dairy or non-dairy milk, the pumpkin puree, some sugar. The amount you use is completely dependent on how sweet you want the drink, some of the spice blend from earlier, and last but not least, some vanilla extract. Whisk everything together, and then heat it over medium heat until hot. Okay, let's put the whole thing together. Add some coffee to your mug, and then top with the pumpkin milk blend. Enjoy the drink as is, or do what we do and add some whipped cream to the top, as well as some extra spice. You can sprinkle it on with your fingers, or use a small sieve to dust the spice blend over the cream. And that's it. Easy, homemade pumpkin spice lattes made with love. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.